Today working on my 2009 Impala. I know you guys like, man, he got a lot of Impalas, but to be honest, I do. So the problem I'm having right here is these buttons. These buttons right here are through. So I just went and grabbed another one from the junkyard for a couple bucks. I'm gonna put that in. You can start by removing this little insert. It's gonna expose the 2 screws at the bottom. There you go. Them are the 2 screws that we have to take out. So to get those 2 screws out, we're using a T30 torque wrench. It'll fit right in there. Now I put it on the extension just because it's so deep in there. Now that them 2 screws are out, set those in a safe place. We should be able to pull this thing right out of here. Let's see. I'm gonna grab a flathead screwdriver just to see if I can pry it out. This thing also, it just clips. It's clips all around. I think this whole car was down there made by clips. There you go. Taking that thing out and disconnect those wires from the connector. That's how it looked with the wires out. Disconnected. Here go the new one. You just reattach those wires. The new wires connected. And before you put this thing in place, make sure you snap everything in its place because you'll put it all back together and have to do it over again. So just a test run. Make sure all the windows work. With the new, everything works. But now we can put this thing back in there. And it's just 2 clips on the side. That one. There's one on that side. Just that thing back down in there, just like that. Remember to install them 2 bolts. When you tighten these down, you ain't gotta go too tight. Just make sure they snug in place. There we go. Now we're gonna take this cover that we took out and slide that thing back in there. And there we go.